Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage conversations with Busuu easy tutorial step by step clearly. To manage conversations effectively with Busuu, first, open the Busuu app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Conversations section in the main menu. Select a conversation you'd like to manage from the list. To start a new conversation, click on the New Message button. Type your message in the text field provided. Use language features such as vocabulary suggestions or grammar corrections to enhance your message. When you're ready, hit the Send button to share your message. If you want to reply to a message, tap on the specific message and type your response. To delete a message, hold on the message until options appear, then select Delete. You can also highlight important messages by marking them as favorites. To mute a conversation, go to Settings in that specific chat and choose Mute Notifications. For reporting inappropriate content, tap the message and select the Report option. Regularly check your conversation list to stay updated on replies and new messages. Use the search function to find specific conversations quickly. If you want to remove a conversation completely, select the chat and choose the option to leave conversation. Consider adjusting your privacy settings for a more controlled chatting experience. Finally, make use of language exchange features to connect more effectively with other users. This will enhance your learning experience and allow for more meaningful conversations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.